Happy's 80s game show with a host no one knows. I'm Anthony, and go sit down. Let's meet today's contestants. First up, we have Isabel.
It is a bell. There's spaces in it.
Don't
it's
care.
Pretty. I am a bell.
I don't care if you're a bell.
I think I need you to understand this.
I don't care. Next up is our 10-time undefeated champion, Abby Bernier. You can stop. You can stop. And finally, we have. What's your name?
I don't know.
You don't know your. Stop playing with the Chromebook. You don't know your name? We'll call you Rex. Rex. All right. Before we start, has anybody got any questions? Isabel.
You know, I'm not going to mention the question because it might come in useful.
No, that's.
Why are there Chromebooks?
Shh. They don't work. They don't work for product placement. We need money to keep the studio running. And before you ask, budget cuts is why I don't have a Chromebook. So I have a piece of paper. Speaking of which, question 1. What is the definition of photosynthesis? Mr. Lamoon. Rex.
I heard there was food here.
No food. Isabel.
Oh, okay. So, you know, it's the process by which green planets and some other organisms use the sunlight to synthetic foods from carbon.
Stop.
Water.
Just stop. You're cheating, and that was awful. That was awful for cheating. Abby.
Oh, the process where green plants use sunlight to create food and energy.
Correct. I'm watching you. 50 points for Abby. Next question. What parts of the leaf or plant are involved in photosynthesis? Rex?
Green.
It's a color plant. I'll give you that one, but no. Abby.
The stoma or the pores of a plant, the chloroplast, the mesophyll, the thylakoids, the chlorophyll, and those are used to absorb sunlight.
Correct.
Can I at least say what I was going to say?
Why the heck not?
Well, you see, my name is Abel, not Isabel, because there's no spaces in that. It's Abel. With
Don't
spaces.
care.
You know, I am a bell. That's the. Do you understand it now?
I didn't care in the first place. I still don't care now. What is a C3 plant? Rex.
Isn't that a character from Star Wars?
Not C3PO, a C3 plant. We're gonna get product placement for that one too. We can't afford that. Isabel.
Well, you see, a C3 plant is a.
You don't even have your hair.
Are the most common and most efficient at photosynthesis in a cool.
Stop. You're cheating and no. You stop. If you cheat one more time, you're out of here.
Are you sure?
No, I am very sure.
I don't think I'm cheating. I don't have any more on me. Don't worry about it. Nothing up my sleeves.
The C3 plant includes rice, beans, wheat, potatoes, most temperate crops, and all woody trees.
Show off. I'll have 50 points for Abby. What is the light reaction? For comic relief, Rex.
Isn't that a lifesaver?
Isabel.
Rex, I sense you have something in your pocket. Your front one. Don't be an idiot. Can I please have that?
Give me it.
Give it to Abby. Give it to Abby. Okay, thank you.
I would like you 50 points.
Wait, it's not like she's gonna lose. Wait, can you at least? That's
Cheater.
not a cheat sheet. That is my phone number.
Okay, first off, your phone number's not this long.
Are
Second of
you
all,
sure?
Very sure, considering it says, for the reaction of something, especially the iris of the eye, to different sensitivities to light.
I knew that answer.
Well, sucks to be you, doesn't it?
Oh, well, if Travis was cheating, he should be kicked off the show.
Travis isn't stupid enough, isn't smart enough to cheat. Stop!
Oh. Well,
Next question. Sorry, Abby. What is the difference between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2? Anyone else? Anyone else? Besides these two. Rex! Abby.
Photosystem 1 is used to energize electrons and powers hydrogen, pumping through the electron chain. Photosystem 2 is used to energize electrons. From there, the electrons are captured by ADP8, which energizes the molecule and is used as an energy source for the cell.
And with that, and Abby's up 200 to nothing, we'll take a quick commercial break. Coming this fall to a studio near you for the producers of crappy Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie and Star Wars. We get Tree Wars. So we had to kick Isabel off because she couldn't handle it. So we did somehow find a new contestant. Yeah, you come out. And your name is, sir?
Huh? What?
Name?
Bryce?
Okay.
That's my name.
Okay, Bryce.
She's over there.
Yo, do this. She's right there. All right then. What? For your first question, what is the dark reaction, also known as? You.
The darkness.
You.
The Calvin cycle.
Correct, as usual. Next question. What is the equation for photosynthesis? Travis.
Apple pie.
That was so stupid that it was almost funny. Abby.
Carbon dioxide plus water plus light will equal glucose plus oxygen.
Anything else there, Smarty Pants?
I can tell you the chemical one.
Why not?
6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy is equal to C6H12O6 plus 6O2.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Class.
Good. What is a C4 planet? Rex.
Isn't that an explosion?
Heavy explosion. We're not well looking for you. Bryce, you got any answers to this?
Oh, that's me. What was your question again?
What is a C4 planet?
Oh man, I don't know. Too much, I don't know.
Miss Abigail.
Corn, sugarcane, amaranth, or hot, dry grasses and some shrubs. All of them have to be cold tolerant.
Alright.
boo, no one likes you.
Alright, no from the crowd. Alright, we don't need the peanut gallery. Why don't you just host a stupid show?
It'd be a better show.
Oh!
Cameramen don't talk.
Oh.
What is
Oh my
this
God.
cycle called? Picture a nice little graph yonder.
The Calvin cycle.
Wrong.
The peanut cycle.
Almost wrong.
Oh, I just saw people hitting things.
Try again?
The Calvin cycle.
Sure.
That's the answer.
We'll go with it. Alright, just chill.
What is your answer?
Calm down.
Calm
What is your
down.
answer?
Calm
Alright,
down.
calm down.
Alright.
Security.
You should kick her off.
Breathe.
Security.
Don't get hostile now.
Well, I'm just calmly asking, what is your answer? If mine is wrong,
You
then
don't
what's
need
yours?
to know what my answer is.
Yes, I do.
No, you
Because I
don't.
need to be right
You're not right.
for next time.
You're still not right.
I need to be right next time.
There's not gonna be next time. This is the last episode of the show.
Oh, okay.
Final question in all of your guys' careers here at this crappy game show. What is a CAM plant? And as usual, Abby.
Euphoria, some orchids, and plants that can't withstand too much heat.
No.
Ha ha ha, she lost.
Bryce? Answer?
trees.
No. Alright,
It's close.
Rex, you can win this all.
No,
You can be the first person to dethrone Abby.
I remember all I remember from my family actually is them telling me about this weird plant that grows in the desert. And like, I don't remember what it's called, but I think it was called like cacti. And they have like weird like,
Close enough, you are correct. You are the winner.
what did I win?
You win a buffet you asked for. Is out that door right over yonder. Run! Be free, you majestic beast! Don't fall on the way out. So, as I say farewell and adieu to all of you, I want to just go over what we just discussed. So, definition of photosynthesis is a process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Abby will now explain what parts of a leaf or a plant are involved in photosynthesis.
The parts of a leaf or plant that are involved in photosynthesis are the stoma or the pores of a leaf, the chloroplast, the mesophyll, this is a hard one to say, thylakoids, and the chlorophyll to absorb the sunlight. What is the Calvin cycle?
Okay, so there's a diagram right there. It's very complicated, but I'll try to simplify it for you guys. So, the Calvin cycle refers to light-independent reactions, which means pretty much at night, and photosynthesis takes place during that time. So the Calvin cycle is not directly dependent on light, so it doesn't really need it, but it contains 3 steps. So the first one is carbon fixation, which is the first stage of the Calvin cycle, and that's where the light-independent reactions are initiated.
Sand plant is a cactus, euphorbia, some orchids, epiphytic, short of water.
What is the equation for photosynthesis?
The equation for photosynthesis states that the combination of carbon dioxide, light energy, and water, a plant can produce glucose and oxygen. The actual chemical equation for this process is 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy equals C6H12O6 plus 6O2. In words, the equation is written out as carbon dioxide plus water plus light equals glucose plus oxygen. Ta-da!
Oh.